Now that Dalle has been upgraded to version 3, it's back in contention with some of the best AI art tools out there. There's loads of places you can get access to it from, but there's one that you probably need to avoid. Let's look at 5 different places that you can use Dalle and how they compare. Number 1, of course, is ChatGPT. It is probably the best place to use the Dalle model right now. The only downside is it's only available with the paid version of ChatGPT. But you do get the full power of GPT-4 combined with the Dalle model. Let's give it a spin and see what it can do. Let's just use a little prompt. And the results are fantastic. And the text isn't bad either. This could be the opening scene of a Disney movie, the Jolly Snowman. It's just wonderful. At number 2 is Bing Images. Bing now allows you to create images with Dalle entirely for free. Just go to bing.com/images. Let's give it a try with our magic prompt. And here we've got 4 versions of our image rather than just one, so it's actually a step up on GPT-4. All the versions of this image look really good. The only downside is they don't seem to have any text, but they look so fantastic and Christmassy, I may need to go and get a mulled wine. At number 3 is the Copilot website at copilot.microsoft.com. You can use this to create images with Dalle and they're free, just like Bing Images. But really it's just a wrap around Bing Images, but it's handy to have chat and image creation all in one place. At number 4 is the desktop version of Copilot. You can create images with Dalle here for free as well. Let's say the magic Christmas words and another set of great results. Still no text, but if you're not feeling the spirit of Christmas in these images, then you've got to be the love child of the Grinch and Scrooge. And at number 5 is Microsoft Paint in Windows. Yeah, that's right, I said Microsoft Paint, that rubbish, miserable paint program that comes free with Windows. It's now got image generation built into it. And it sounds crazy, but this could actually be really good. Even a simple paint program combined with a really good AI art generator could have real potential. Let's give it a spin. We'll set the image size to 1024 by 1024 as that seems to be the fixed output size right now, and then we'll enter the prompt and watch the magic happen. Ooh. Now look at these weird snowman faces, and the whole scene is just dark and miserable. It's like some sort of Christmas hangover. This can't be Dalle 3, it must be Dalle 2. Let me know in the comments if you're getting the same sort of results that I am. Also, if you want to see more stuff like this, then hit the like button and subscribe. This is a real opportunity missed, especially as they've added a couple of other tools into Paint that would play really nicely with it. So there's now some simple layer facilities and a built-in background eraser, and so you could use that to build up images layer by layer. So for example, I can try and generate our missing text, and then I can use the background erase tool to isolate it. I've noticed that if you crop into the area you want to keep, then it gets better at selecting the correct foreground and background elements. This is a pretty useful tool to have on your desktop, but at the moment I'd use it with images you've generated outside of Paint. So now we can resize that text layer, place it, and if the generated images have been a bit better, this could really have been something. So all in all, I would stay away from generating images in Paint right now. You could use something like Copilot, or if you've got access to it, GPT-4. But in the meantime, I'm going to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Take care and I'll see you soon.